Hello, I'm Deb, and this meditation is designed to help you rest and heal after surgery. As you listen, you'll be guided to relax, trust your body's natural ability to recover, and invite peace into your healing process. Find a comfortable position, take a slow breath, and let's begin. Take a gentle breath in and slowly exhale. Let yourself settle. There is nothing to do but rest and allow healing to unfold. Your body knows how to recover. Trust that wisdom. With each breath, invite calm and comfort. If you feel tension, send your breath there and soften it. Imagine a gentle light within you, glowing where healing is needed most. This light moves through your body, soothing, balancing, and renewing. Each cell responds with gratitude. You are safe. You are healing. You are whole. If your mind drifts to worry, bring it back to your breath. Say quietly, healing is happening now. Allow patience and peace to flow through you. Bring to mind those who support you, your caregivers, loved ones, and community. Imagine their care surrounding you like a warm blanket. You are not alone in this healing. You are held in love and care. Whisper to yourself, "My body is healing in its own perfect time. I am patient and calm. I honor my body's strength and wisdom." Take 3 deep, nourishing breaths. Feel your body resting, recovering, and renewing. Thank your body for its strength and resilience. May your recovery be gentle. May your energy grow brighter each day. And may peace fill your heart as you heal. As you continue to rest and recover, let this peaceful energy stay with you. Each breath supports your healing, and each moment brings you closer to renewed strength and ease. Be patient and kind with yourself. Your body is doing sacred work. May peace, balance, and gratitude guide your healing ahead.